Here's a little video for all you people. Ew, that's not good quality. There we go. That want to say, oh, we're not feeding our kids. This shit here, we didn't order. We got it as a free thing. Called the company, told them they delivered the wrong items. We're like, oh, it's okay. You can keep them. Like, okay, well, we don't really use this shit. So, I don't know, whatever. But, we've had it a while in there. Never been opened. So, whatever. But here's the video for all you expletive deleted people that want to say that we're not feeding our children. And our children are going hungry. Our children are not bathing and not getting proper health care and all this BS that is lies, pure and utter. Yeah. We don't have any food, right? Most of the shit in here is for the kids. That's mine. That's mine. That's it. That is mine in this freezer. Everything else is either someone else's or community. Like hamburgers. Community. Chicken patties. I'll be eating a lot of them, but they're community. Back here we got salmon and Green Giant Mediterranean blend vegetables. Carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, chicken nuggets, more chicken nuggets, a little bit of ice cream, kids ice cream, ice, popsicles for the kids. So you people that are saying they're not feeding their children, just keep your mouth shut, because you have no idea what you're talking about. And the fridge. Most everything in here is either the kids or community. Capri Suns for the kids, 1 a day. Energy drinks, definitely for me, definitely not for the kids. Milk. Got strawberries in here. Nah, it's alright. Didn't bust. Eggs. Keep our bacon in this. We have another thing, a mega pack of bacon. Because we go through a lot of bacon here. Coconut milk. Almond. More almond in the back. Got spaghetti noodles. Meatballs. Cheese. Butter. Other butter. What's up here? Oh, look at that. Hot dogs. For the kids. Shredded cheese. Little sausage links. Yeah, all this needs reorganized and straightened up, but it's all still good. It's all edible. Peppers. Kielbasa. Shredded cheese. I mean, we just got it ordered too, just like 5 minutes ago. A few black grapes, spinach, salmon. Of course, the kids probably ain't gonna eat that, but I will. Chip dip. More energy drinks and condiments down here because piece of crap. Our door, the little bars here, broke and fell off. So we can't really hold a lot of stuff up on the door. there's still stuff in the fridge. So, if you're saying that these kids are going hungry, you are lying, and you need to keep your dirty mouth shut. Thank you. Come again.